3 Lincoln 40. How you doing, man?
Doing good. How about
You good? Your car broke down?
Yeah.
Okay. You have an ID on you?
I do. Somewhere.
Can you leave me out at Coates and Donaphin at the car wash with New Mexico Adam Zebra Frank Zebra 32? Be out with one. You got like a trickle charger going on, or?
I don't know what's going on. I have a short somewhere.
But what's up with the wires coming out?
Now my ignition switch broke.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was trying to fix, but it's not working. Like I can't get nothing to work. Like I can't get the car to turn on. I can't get anything to work. Like usually, like there's usually a wire that you can touch here. But
This your car?
Yeah.
Do you have a, can I get your ID, please?
I'm trying to find it. It's not happening.
Any weapons in the car? Any guns? Nice.
No, sir.
What's that?
No, sir.
Alright.
I'm sorry. I'm just frustrated because like.
Yeah, I hear you.
I'm trying to freaking fix my car and it's just not happening. Like,
Are you living out of here?
Yeah, I'm living in here, bro.
Okay. You don't know where your wallet is or anything?
Just let me calm down, please.
Yeah.
Calm down, because I'm just frustrated with this car already. I don't think where it's at. I'm so frustrated. What's up with this car, man? It's frustrating as hell. This car has a bunch of problems. It's never be at peace.
What's your name, sir?
Micheal Estrada.
How do you spell your last name?
Micheal Estrada.
You're gonna have to say that again, sir.
Micheal. Estrada.
Your date of birth?
9/30/93.
Do you have a current address that you're using?
No, I'm currently homeless.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have my wallet. So I don't have my ID. Someone in here.
Do me a favor, dude. Can you step out the car for me?
I can't do that.
Where's that?
You need to back up, bro.
Why do I need to back up?
You need to back up right now.
Why?
You need to back the fuck up.
Why, dude?
Back
Hey,
up, guy.
relax.
Please, back up.
Relax, dude.
Please get away from
Relax.
me. Please get away from me.
Okay, relax. What do you have in your hand?
Like, please get away from me.
What do you have in your hand,
Get away
dude?
from me, please.
Clear there.
Please, sir.
What do you have in your hand, dude?
Please, sir. Don't make me do this.
What's in your hand?
It's a gun. So please back up.
Hey,
Over there by your car.
let me see your hand, dude.
Go by your car, please.
Let me see your
Over there
hand.
by your car, please.
Let me see your hand,
Please,
dude.
Please, sir.
Let me see your
Go by
hand.
your car. Go back to your car.
Just,
You
hey,
wanna go home
relax,
tonight,
dude.
Right?
Relax.
You wanna go home tonight?
Relax,
You wanna go home
dude.
tonight, right?
Relax.
I'm relaxed. Can you please go by your car?
Okay,
and
just put it down,
Okay,
dude.
go by your car then.
Okay, I will.
Okay, go.
Put it
You
down.
wanna go home tonight, right?
Just put it
You wanna go
down.
home tonight?
Just put it
You
down,
wanna
dude.
go home tonight?
Just put it down.
I'm not gonna put it down. Go by your car.
What is it, dude?
Go. Do you wanna go home tonight?
Yes,
Pick the
relax.
wrong- Did you pick the wrong day to go to work today?
Okay, dude, relax, please.
Okay, get back to your car.
Relax.
Get back to your car, please.
Relax, dude.
I'm gonna relax. Just keep...
Shots fired, shots fired. Shots fired. Hey, I need you to come down Donaphin past Coates. It's going to be a black Mustang. You're going to come around the gas station, don't come around the front. I'm going to be by a dumpster taking cover from the Mustang. I'm at the rear of the Mustang.
10-4, search, we're coming up. You said come by where?
If you're coming down Donaphin go past Coates, you're going to see the gas station on the right, and then come into the gas station.
10-4.
Turn the car off, sir! Sir, turn the car off. Stand by for the first units to clear the vehicle. Lincoln 40 to dispatch.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and start me northeast central units, please, and have FMS stage. Hey guys, come to me.